Here are the 5 must-have plugins for After Effects. First one is Animation Composer by Mr. House. This one is used for quick motion graphics and text animation. It has a built-in huge library of 2D and 3D animations, transition and sound effects. Very simple to use. Select, click and you are done. I personally use it for text animations. It really helps my workflow easier and faster. Second one is Motion Bro, and if you love creative transitions and effects, this one is a must-have for you. It creates all kinds of transitions, effects, and 2D elements, HUD elements, and sound effects. I personally use it for sound effects. It's free to use. You can download it today. The download link is in the description. Third one is AEJuice. This one is the most favorite plugins of mine to create videos, and it is all-in-one powerhouse to create videos, 2D animations, and using sound effects. It has some liquid elements and whatnot. The free pack alone is worth downloading. The next one is VC Color Vibrance from Video Copilot. If you work with glow and magic effects, this one is for you. While colorizing your VFX assets, you just have to drop this on your layer and select what color do you want. I personally use it for all my VFX magic effects. Third one is FX Console. This is also by Video Copilot. Instead of digging through menus to apply a single effect on your layer, just press Ctrl plus space and type your effect name and press enter. This will make your workflow really fast. So here it is. Here are the 5 plugins and that are free and that you can download now and start using. If you like this video and find it really helpful, please subscribe our channel and share it with your fellow editors. See you in the next video.